Hi, I'm Jenny Keller. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to decorate a cookie. It's using my signature sugar cookie and buttercream icing recipe, but instead of piping the buttercream on, I'm going to melt the buttercream down and then I'm going to dip the cookie right into the icing. So I started by separating my frosting colors into individual bowls, but then I'm going to throw these in the microwave for about 20 seconds each, add a little bit of milk until they're nice and drippy, and then we're going to pour them into this bowl over here and make a little marbled mixture and then dip the cookie in. I made this video a few years ago and I got a lot of feedback from viewers that their buttercream was separating. They weren't sure how much milk to put in, how long to microwave it for. There's really no magic amount because everybody's gonna have a different color palette. I usually just put mine in the microwave for like 20 seconds, pull it out, mix it up, and then add a little bit of milk and just stir and stir and stir. And if you feel like it starts to separate, grab a whisk out of your kitchen drawer and just keep stirring until you get a nice drippy consistency. That's what you're going for. And it will harden back up, so you have to keep stirring, or you may have to throw it back in the microwave to get it soft enough to dip it into to get through like a whole dozen cookies. All right, everybody's melted, so you're now gonna need a larger bowl that your hand will dip down into. So something shallow is really helpful, and then you're gonna pour whatever base color you want in first. So I always start with white. I'm gonna get that down in there, and then I'll just add a little bit of the other colors in here. So I just kind of drizzle it right on top. Really pretty. And then you're gonna take your sugar cookie and hold it on the edge, and you're gonna dip it right down into the icing. Pull it up and just kind of shake your cookie out and lay it on a cooling rack. And you'll wanna make sure you put some parchment underneath there because it may drip. And you wanna work pretty quick because this does harden. But look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh, I love them. This is a one time when you can double dip in life. If you didn't cover your cookie all the way, you can throw a little bit more icing in there. All right, those were the easiest cookies to make. Now you can take it one step further and add a few little sprinkles on these. Get creative with this idea. It's really fun with kids, with your family. Make sure everybody has their own bowl of dipping for their cookies. And I can't wait to see what you create. Tag me on social media, leave a comment on my blog, and get creative.